Tired of complicated video editing software? What if I told you there's a super easy, browser-based editor that can automatically add subtitles to your videos in just a few clicks? Well, stick around, because today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Veed.io, step by step. This is a complete game changer for content creators, marketers, or anyone who wants to make professional-looking videos without the steep learning curve. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be editing like a pro, right from your web browser. Let's get started. First things first, head over to Veed.io. You can sign up for a free account to get started, which gives you access to a ton of great features. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. This is where all your projects will live. To start a new one, just click the Create Project button. Now you have a few options. You can upload your own video file, start with a pre-made template, record your screen and camera directly, or even start with a blank canvas. For this guide, we're going to upload a video we already have. I'll just drag and drop my file right here. You'll see it start uploading, and once it's done, it'll appear on your timeline at the bottom of the screen. Welcome to the main editing interface. It might look like a lot at first, but it's incredibly intuitive. On the left, you have your main toolbar. This is where you'll find all the tools you need: media, audio, subtitles, text, elements, and more. In the center, you have the video preview, which shows you what your final video will look like. And at the bottom, there's the timeline. This is where you'll arrange your clips, audio, and other assets. Let's start with some basic trimming. Maybe the beginning or end of my clip has some stuff I don't want. All I have to do is go to the timeline, click on the edge of my video clip, and drag it inwards to trim it. See how easy that is? You can trim from the beginning or the end. If you want to cut a section out from the middle, just move the playhead, that's this vertical line, to where you want to make a cut, and then click the split button right above the timeline. Now your clip is in two parts. You can move the playhead again, split it, and then select and delete that middle section you don't want. It's that simple to clean up your footage. Now, let's talk about one of Veed's most powerful features, auto subtitles. This is a lifesaver. On the left-hand menu, click on Subtitles, then click Auto Subtitle. You'll be asked to select the language of your video. Veed supports a ton of languages, so find yours and click Create Subtitles. Veed's AI will now get to work transcribing your entire video. This usually only takes a minute or two, depending on the length of your video. And just like that, boom, your subtitles are generated and perfectly synced with your audio. You'll see the text appear in the left panel, broken down by timestamps. You can click on any text block to edit it, just in case the AI made a small mistake or you want to rephrase something. It's incredibly accurate, but it's always good to do a quick proofread. But what about styling? We don't want plain, boring subtitles. With the subtitles selected, you'll see a Styles tab appear. Here, you can change the font, size, and color. You can add a background, a shadow, or an outline to make your text pop. Veed also has some amazing preset animation styles. Do you want your subtitles to appear word by word, like you see in those popular social media clips? Just select one of the animation presets. You can have a karaoke-style highlight, a pop-up effect, and more. This is how you make your videos look super dynamic and engaging with minimal effort. Okay, our video is trimmed and subtitled. Let's add some more flair. How about some text, like a title? Go back to the left menu and click Text. You can add a simple headline, subheadline, or body text. Let's add a title. I'll type in my awesome travel video. Just like with subtitles, you can change the font, color, size, and position. I'll drag it to the top of the screen. You can also animate your text. In the right-hand panel, you'll find animation options to make it fade in, slide in, or pop up. What about some background music? A video feels more alive with a good soundtrack. Click on Audio in the left menu. Veed has a library of royalty-free stock music and sound effects you can use. You can browse by mood, genre, or just search for something specific. I'll search for upbeat travel. I can preview the tracks, and when I find one I like, I just click the plus icon to add it to my timeline. It will appear as a new layer below my video. I can drag it to position it, and I can adjust the volume by clicking on the audio track and using the volume slider in the right-hand panel. It's important to lower the background music volume so it doesn't overpower your speaking voice. Veed also has a great library of elements. Click on Elements on the left. Here you'll find progress bars, emojis, shapes, and animated stickers. Adding a progress bar is a great way to keep your viewers engaged, especially for longer videos. Just click on one, and it's added to your video. You can resize it and place it wherever you like, usually at the top or bottom of the frame. It will automatically animate across the screen as your video plays. Let's say you want to add a logo or an image overlay. Go back to Media and then Upload. You can upload your logo file. Once it's uploaded, just drag it from the media library onto your video canvas. You can resize it and place it in a corner. You can even adjust its opacity in the right-hand panel to make it a subtle watermark. This is great for branding your content. You can also do color correction and add filters. Select your video clip on the timeline, and on the right side, you'll see an Adjust tab. Here you can tweak brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. Or, you can just click on the Filters tab and apply a pre-made look with one click. This is a quick way to give your video a consistent, professional aesthetic. What if you made a mistake? Don't worry. Veed has undo and redo buttons at the top, so you can always go back a step. The entire platform is non-destructive, meaning your original files are always safe. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to export. This is the final step. Look for the blue Done button at the top right, and then click Export Video. You can choose your export resolution. 720p is great for social media, while 108p is standard HD. If you're on a paid plan, you can export in even higher quality. Veed will start rendering your video in the cloud. This is another amazing feature because it doesn't use up your computer's resources. You can literally close the tab and Veed will email you when your video is ready to download. And there you have it, a complete, step-by-step guide to editing amazing videos with Veed.io. We went from a raw clip to a fully edited video with automatic subtitles, background music, text animations, and a progress bar, all without installing any software. Veed is an incredibly powerful yet simple tool that can seriously level up your video content. I highly recommend giving it a try. The free plan is a great way to see if it's the right fit for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to help you create better content. If you have any questions about Veed or have a video editing topic you'd like me to cover, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.